The newspaper industry mourns Boris Fuchs, who died on 13 October 2020 at the age of 87. He was a wonderful person and colleague, always open to suggestions and able to identify technical innovations early on. Between 1970 and the turn of the millennium, newspaper technology changed like never before or since. Publishers fought over technical choices, conferences and trade fairs focused on the transition from hot metal to phototypesetting and desktop publishing, the replacement of letterpress by offset, laser image setting, computer to plate, industry standards, color management and closed-loop control systems. Many members of WAN-IFRA, the World Association of News Publishers, were actively involved in this development of technical innovations in numerous technical committees, and engineer Boris Fuchs was the right man at the right time to accompany this development. He used to say, the four-high tower was not developed by IFRA, but at IFRA. Boris Fuchs was born on 9 October 1933 in Rybinsk on the Volga, where his father worked as a press designer. The family returned to Germany in 1937. Boris graduated from high school in 1953 and 5 years later took his diploma as a mechanical engineer at Darmstadt Technical University. In the same year, he took up his first job with the press manufacturer Schnellpressenfabrik Frankenthal. The next professional challenge took him to Switzerland in 1961 to the WIFAG machine factory. In 1971, he moved to MAN in Augsburg, where he was responsible for the design of rotary presses. In 1974, he returned to Albert Frankenthal. When this company was taken over by Koenig and Bauer, Boris Fuchs became deputy chairman. In 1984, he took up his post as research director and deputy managing director of IFRA in Darmstadt. With his team, he published hundreds of special reports on all the latest technological issues and gave lectures at countless international events. Boris Fuchs retired in early 1999. He wrote articles for trade journals and gave lectures. He was one of the authors of the Handbook of Print Media. He was a member of VDD, the Association of German Print Engineers, of IADM, the International Working Group on the History of Print and Media, and of YARIGAI, the International Association of Research Institutes for the Graphic Arts and Media Industry. His network extended as far as Japan, where he had many friends. Boris Fuchs lives on in the hearts of those who knew and loved him.